fire safety. Hello, this is the fire station. You can call the fire station for help in case of an emergency. The phone is ringing. Hello, this is the fire station. I am police dispatcher Mew Mew. Someone has trapped in the tree. We ask the firemen for help. Don't worry, the fire rescue team will set out immediately. There is an emergency. Help us put on fireman uniform and let's get ready to set out. Whiskers climbed a tree and got stuck in it. Okay, let's get ready to climb up the tree. Let's climb the tree and help Whiskers down. Cut off these branches with scissors. There are birds! Chase them away quickly! There are spiders hanging from the tree. Get rid of them first. Whiskers, don't be afraid. I'll secure the rope and help you down. Slide the arrow and attach the rope to the tree trunk. Whiskers, it's dangerous to climb high. Be careful not to fall. I'll never dare to climb high again. Whoa, yeah, great job! Fire rescue task is complete. Should Whiskers climb the tree to play without protection? You are right! Climbing the tree is very dangerous. Should Whiskers climb up the cupboard at home? You are right! Awesome! Cupboards collapse easily. Children should not climb on cupboards. Should Ho-Ho climb up the window by using a chair? You are right! Awesome! Do not climb up windows at will. Whoa! Whoa! Hello, this is the fire station. I am police dispatcher Mew Mew. A fire has broken out in the high-rise building. Residents are trapped inside. We ask the firemen for help. Don't worry, the fire rescue team will set out immediately. There is an emergency. Help us put on fireman uniform and let's get ready to set out. in the high-rise building is so serious that all residents are trapped in the fire. We need to hurry and rescue them. Momo, I'm going to enter the building to save the residents. You stay outside to control the fire and help me save lives. No problem. Let's prepare rescue equipment. Protective mask. Fire axe. Powder fire extinguisher. Fire shovel. The equipment is ready. Let's save lives. The fire is too strong. Put it out with a water gun first. Oh no! The fire restarts. Use the powder fire extinguisher to put out the fire. Oops! The burning items have collapsed. Use the fire shovel to remove them. Fireman Kiki! Don't be afraid. I'll help you out. The pile of wood is falling down. Use the fire axe to split them. Fireman, you finally come to rescue me. Come on, follow me closely to a safe place. All residents are saved. Let's get them to a safe place. Put out the fire with scaling ladder and water cannon. Kiki, all residents have been rescued and the fire has been brought under control. Rescue task is complete. Whoa, whoa! Should Ho-Ho play with matches, lighters, and other dangerous source of fire at home? That's not the right answer. You are right. Playing with source of fire at home can cause a fire. Should Ho-Ho cover his nose and mouth with a wet towel to escape when a fire breaks out? You are right! Should Ho-Ho call the fire station when his house is on fire? You are right! Awesome! Whoa, whoa! Hello, this is the fire station. What is your emergency? The city has been flooded. The flood has swept away houses. Please come and help us. Don't worry, the fire rescue team will set out immediately. There is an emergency. Help us put on fireman uniform and let's get ready to set out. Kiki, there is a flood in the city. Residents are trapped in the flood. Momo, I will set out for the rescue. You can wait ashore in case any help is needed. Let's prepare an emergency rescue boat first. Rescue boat is ready. Let's go! Drive the rescue boat to find the trapped residents. Slide to dodge these obstacles. Help! Someone's in the water. Help them out of the water quickly. Help! Someone on the car roof asked for help. Get over there quickly to help. Drag the trapped residents over. Put on the life jacket. Safety first. These are relief supplies. The flood starts to overflow. Let's reinforce the riverbank. Fill the bag with sand to make a sandbag. Pile up sandbags to prevent flood from coming ashore. Riverbank reinforcement is complete. The flood will no longer submerge riverbanks. Kiki, all residents trapped in the flood have been rescued and the flood has subsided. Rescue task is complete.
Whoa,
Should Whiskers climb up the roof temporarily to stay safe after the flood submerges the house? You are right! Should Whiskers separate himself from the rescue team during flood evacuation? That's not the... You are right! Awesome! When there is a danger, follow the rescue team closely to ensure your own safety. Should Whiskers climb up to a higher place when there is a flood? You are right!
whoa, whoa.